Hey folks, today is March the 5th, or excuse me, April the 5th. It's currently about 12:45. I had a meeting this morning, so I wasn't able to do any trading with the Harmonic scanner, but I'm scrolling through now, taking a look to see what's available here. Got an entry level here. Market came back up into it, and now it's looks like it's starting to push back down. I think I'd like to potentially buy this. I still have two pending orders in here. These never got filled. I thought the market might come back down. As you can see, we had a wick here and a wick here, and I thought I could maybe catch another wick going down, getting into this trade, but it never happened. As you can see, the market came into it here, bounced out nicely, and it's come into it again, and I'm assuming it's going to do the exact same thing up to this profit target here. All right, so market came up here, dropped about 26 pips. So there are a couple different opportunities that we have here, and I think I'm going to try and focus on this one. Let's see what we got here. 13965. Let's get in there. All right, we're looking to sell, so it must be a selling a limit. Let's try that. There it is. All right, so if we get filled there, we'll be expecting or hoping that the market's going to come back down, and we'll place our stop here. All right, we're less than a pip away from getting filled, so we'll just wait and see what happens here. All right, I'll pause it and come back once we get entered. All right, guys, that didn't take long. A couple seconds after I said that, we got filled. So we're now in this trade. We're in it with one contract. So let's go ahead and move this up here and this down here. So we got those two levels in. All right, I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once we start moving in one direction or the other. All right, folks, I actually forgot to put in my second order so that we can have two take profits. So let me go ahead and do that. Actually, I can go ahead and just enter the market exactly where it is. New order, sell, one full. Okay. I don't like these to be right on top of each other because it makes it harder for me to place my stop and take profit levels. And I have no earthly idea which one of these is the one I just entered. So let's see here. All right, so I think this second one here is right there. So we'll go ahead and move this down. All right, let's push this up. All right, so everything is set the way it should be. We got two profit targets here, as you guys can see, and we have our stop right here. All right, now I can go ahead and pause it and come back with you guys momentarily. Hey folks, just another quick update. Just wanted you to see that we've now pushed down into profit. Our stop is still way up here, about 25 pips. So now we're just waiting on our first profit target to get hit. All right, come back with you guys once we get a little bit closer, if we get a little bit closer. All right, folks, I just wanted to give another quick update. We're currently up about $200. We had a little pullback here. Then it came right back down to about where we were. So we're going to have to wait and see if we can break this level right here. We turned around right there, and we need to break this level right here so that we can continue to push down to our profit target here. I have to get ready and head out. So I'm going to leave. It's currently 2:25, so I'll be back around 7 o'clock this afternoon, and I'll check on our position and see what it's doing. We're only at 5 minutes, so plenty of time here. Be back with you guys later on tonight. Hey folks, it's now about 6:20 in the afternoon. Just wanted to give you another quick update. As you can see, the market's been pretty much going sideways here. It keeps coming down to this level and bouncing off of it, so I'm hoping that eventually, maybe sometime tonight, we'll be able to push through this level here. Because right now, we're only about 4 pips away from where we've been, which is about this level here where this red line is. So if we can make up that space right there, we'll be good. And I'll move my stop up to break even for the final order. Anyway, I'll give you guys another update here momentarily. Maybe about 9 o'clock tonight. We'll see where it is. All right, folks, it's now 9 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see, the market is just going sideways. We've come within a couple ticks, less than one, twice now, of being taken out of this trade, but it just wants to continue going sideways, and there's nothing we can do about that, obviously. So we're just going to have to be patient. We got in up here, and we're waiting on the market to hit our first profit target right here. So I'll go ahead and, I guess, let this continue to play out. I'll pause it, and then I'll come back tomorrow morning. If you guys recall, I did enter this trade at lunchtime, I believe. So if I can in the future, I'll try to enter trades earlier. Like I said, today was just a bit of an off day because I had a lot to do, but we'll see what happens. I'll come back tomorrow morning, and hopefully we will have hit our first profit target. All right, folks, today is April the 6th. It's currently 7:35 in the morning. And I'm trying to see exactly what has happened here. All right, so I recall we got in up here. Market went sideways for quite some time. And then it looks like it dropped through our profit target. So our first profit target was hit. Then it came back a bit. And it looks like it dropped down to our second profit target as well. So that's why all of our orders are now taken out. So the first profit target was about 25 pips, and second was about 38 pips. And both were hit. And it looks like we would have had our third profit target hit as well if we would have had one in, but obviously we only used 2 orders. So definitely a really nice size winning trade here. All right, and again, this is for the Harmonic scanner with iMarkets Live. And when you do get your iMarkets Live membership, you'll get 3 different services. You'll get the trade room, which consists of the futures trade room and the Forex trade room. You'll also get the trade copier for the Forex market, and you'll get the Harmonic scanner, which you can use for obviously Forex, but as well you can use it for binary options. All right, so you got basically, we'll say 4 different services that you get with the membership. If you guys have any questions on iMarkets Live or the Harmonic scanner, definitely send them my way, or you can click the link below to get more information. All right, folks, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.